Are recent cybersecurity regulations different for private and public sectors? In today's digital age, cybersecurity is a hot topic, especially with new regulations rolling out. The question many are asking is whether recent cybersecurity regulations differ for private and public sectors. This is particularly relevant now, as organizations scramble to comply with new laws and protect sensitive information. Recent developments show that there are indeed notable differences between the two sectors. For the public sector, especially local governments, new laws have introduced strict reporting requirements and employee training mandates. Just last week, New York passed legislation requiring local governments to report cyberattacks within 72 hours and disclose ransom payments within 24 hours. This law also emphasizes the importance of cybersecurity training for government employees. It encourages information sharing across government levels and with private entities to address shared threats collectively. On the other hand, regulations affecting critical infrastructure and private entities focus more on technical security standards and operational resilience. The Federal Energy Regulatory Commission issued Order Number 887, which mandates new internal network security monitoring requirements for bulk electric systems. These rules include monitoring for unusual network traffic and data retention for investigations. Compliance timelines are phased, with some entities having several years to meet these standards. This approach highlights the priority of maintaining system reliability and protecting essential services. Private sector organizations, especially publicly traded companies or those operating internationally, face increasingly complex regulatory demands. For instance, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission has strengthened cyber breach disclosure rules, requiring rapid reporting even while investigations are ongoing. European regulations like the Digital Operational Resilience Act impose rigorous operational resilience requirements on financial firms. This demands not only breach reporting but also comprehensive cyber disruption preparedness. Defense contractors in the United States must comply with the Cybersecurity Maturity Model certification, adding further layers of compliance. These private sector regulations emphasize transparency to investors and operational continuity, often creating challenges due to multiple jurisdictions. In summary, public sector cybersecurity regulations focus on rapid incident reporting, intergovernmental collaboration, and employee training. In contrast, private sector rules emphasize technical controls, operational resilience, and investor protection. Both sectors are increasingly adopting advanced security models to address evolving threats, but their regulatory frameworks reflected their unique operational contexts and risks.